It's a new 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, memory exterior door mirror settings, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.